Benefits of drinking turmeric tea every day. You pronounce it as turmeric or turmeric. Anyway, it is an all-star spice that packs a punch, no matter how you say it. Turmeric is a ginger-related ancient spice. For thousands of years, this spice has been valued for its therapeutic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. One of the most effective ways to reap the benefits of turmeric is to drink it as tea. But is it as effective as eating turmeric? What benefits will you get if you replace your morning cup of tea with turmeric tea? We'll answer this and much more in today's video. So let's begin. 1. Smooth and glowing skin. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric tea make it a valuable natural medicine. Glow and shine can be added to the skin by virtue of these properties. Adding turmeric tea to your daily diet can also help your skin's natural radiance to shine through. Many skin disorders, including acne, dermatitis, and psoriasis, have been proven to improve with the use of turmeric tea. So, if you want smooth and glowing skin, start drinking turmeric tea right away. 2. Liver damage and diseases are common, but let's make them less common. Liver is the largest solid organ in the human body. There are hundreds of functions that it performs to the body, including the removal of toxins from the blood supply, the regulation of blood clotting, and many more. You'll be surprised to know that an estimated 1.5 billion people have the liver disease worldwide. In most cases, the main cause is linked with the use of medications for other diseases. And guess what? You might be able to protect your liver from poisons with turmeric's powerful antioxidant properties. This is wonderful news for diabetics and others who are concerned that their livers may be damaged by long-term usage of heavy medications. In some other studies, turmeric was effective in not only preventing but also reversing liver damage. So if you are on long-term medication, you should add turmeric tea to your daily morning routine. 3. It can help you lose weight. The amount of bile produced in the stomach can be increased by drinking turmeric tea on a regular basis. It is a digestive juice that aids in the emulsification and metabolism of fats in the digestive tract. A cup of turmeric tea first thing in the morning is also a great way to get your digestive system ready for the day. Drinking this tea in the morning aids in detoxification and jumpstarts your metabolism. By boosting your metabolism and breaking down the fats, turmeric tea can make a significant difference in your weight loss program. 4. It strengthens your immune system. It is always a good idea to give your immune system a boost with herbal remedies. Curcumin's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties have been shown to aid immune function. These properties can help with coughs, colds, sore throats, and aid in the relief of chest congestion caused by a persistent cough. Also, curcumin has the potential to act as an immune modulator, meaning it can help regulate immune cells. 5. Lessen your pain from arthritis. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. The use of 1,000 milligrams of turmeric extract reduced pain in people with arthritis, according to a 2016 study. It also stood up to over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen. Turmeric tea's potent anti-inflammatory properties can help arthritis sufferers reduce inflammation and swelling. This alleviates the discomfort associated with the disease. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is effective in reducing pain in patients with osteoarthritis. According to some studies, it may be as effective as some medications while avoiding the negative side effects. 6. Get better heart health. High cholesterol puts you at a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Turmeric consumption was found to help lower LDL cholesterol, or the bad kind of cholesterol, and triglyceride levels in a 2017 study. There is also evidence to support the fact that curcumin supplementation before and after coronary artery bypass surgery may reduce the risk of a heart attack. 7. A possible treatment for cancer. Curcumin has been shown in studies to be a potential cancer treatment. It aids in the maintenance of normal cellular function. This helps to prevent cancerous cells from spreading. Turmeric may also aid in the development of immunity in those who are undergoing treatment. Curcumin was found to aid in the restoration of normal immune function in cancer patients in a 2015 study. Also, curcumin has been recognized by the National Cancer Institute as an effective anticarcinogen, or substance that helps prevent cancer. This compound might not be able to treat cancer altogether, but still, it has the potential to decrease the spread of this disease, or even prevent it in the first place. 8. Aids in the treatment of ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is a chronic gastrointestinal disease that causes ulcers in the lower intestine. The colon and rectum become inflamed as a result of this disease. It can result in bone pain, cramps, and bleeding. Turmeric supports a healthy immune system while also reducing inflammation. This is especially important for patients suffering from ulcerative colitis. Because there is no cure, symptom management is essential. Curcumin combined with melamine treatment improved symptoms more than placebo, according to a 2018 study. A study conducted by the University of Maryland Medical Center found that ulcerative colitis patients who consumed turmeric had significantly lower relapse rates. 9. Prevent Alzheimer's disease. This golden tea may help you remember things for longer. Turmeric has been shown in animal studies to reduce the symptoms of neurodegenerative diseases. Curcumin has been shown to reduce Alzheimer-related cell damage, inflammation, and amyloid plaques. The antioxidants in turmeric not only help to treat the disease but also help to prevent damage that can lead to Alzheimer's disease. 10. Aids in the management of diabetes. Over 30 million Americans have type 2 diabetes. Turmeric can help you avoid this disease. Curcumin has been shown in studies to have a therapeutic effect in the treatment of diabetes. It can also help with insulin resistance, which is a factor in the severity of diabetes. Turmeric's curcumin may help to lower blood sugar and blood pressure. Before adding turmeric tea to your diet, talk to your doctor if you're on any medications for high blood pressure or diabetes, such as warfarin. 11. Let's get you free of lung diseases. Turmeric makes it easier to breathe. It should be praised once more for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And because of these properties, it is beneficial in the treatment of lung diseases. The inflammation in the airways can be reduced by consuming turmeric on a daily basis. The component curcumin found in turmeric also helps to naturally cleanse the lungs, which improves lung function. In this way, curcumin may help treat asthma, cystic fibrosis, lung cancer, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. How to make turmeric tea. Making turmeric tea is as simple as boiling water. On the stove, bring 3 to 4 cups of water to a boil. Stir in 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Now boil again for a few minutes. If you choose, you can also add a little honey, freshly squeezed orange or lemon juice, or milk according to your taste. Remember, everything has pros and cons alike, and turmeric tea is no exception. Try drinking only 2 cups of turmeric tea a day, and do not exceed this limit. When taken as directed, turmeric tea has no significant risks to health. Side effects such as nausea, dizziness, and diarrhea can occur in some persons. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.